Have you ever felt like someone might be spying on your WhatsApp messages? In this video, I'll show you 6 simple steps to check if your WhatsApp has been hacked and how to secure your account. If this is your first time of coming across the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for video like this. Let's go through the steps. Alright, so the first step is to check for linked devices on your WhatsApp. So to do that, you open your WhatsApp, you go to settings. Now once you open settings, you see different options. Then you see where you see linked devices. So once you tap on it, you're going to see all the devices that have been connected to your phone. So you will know where your devices are being logged in at. Like the reason why you're saying Mac here is because I'm already logged in on my MacBook. So that's why you see Mac here. So if you see any unfamiliar devices that you did not log in, then you just click on the device and press remove device. You understand? So you click on remove device to remove that particular device that is not authorized to see your WhatsApp messages. So most times people use WhatsApp web, both on phone or on PC, to log in devices. So for someone to actually gain access to your WhatsApp, it means the person must have gotten your phone number, or the person must have got your phone, you understand, scan in either the QR code or inputted a code to actually log in your WhatsApp on their own laptop or on their own phones. So that way they'll be seeing your messages. So to remove anybody, or if you feel like okay, someone is actually spying on your WhatsApp, so the best thing to do is go to your linked devices and remove any unfamiliar devices that you did not authorize. Step 2 is to look for unusual activities. So you need to check your chats for messages that you didn't send or receive from unknown numbers. So this could actually be a sign of someone accessing your account. So don't just look at messages and ignore. You didn't send these messages. That could be a sign that someone must have hacked your account, or someone might be spying on your account. Because most of these scammers and most of these hackers, once they hack your WhatsApp account, they'll be using your WhatsApp to send messages to people. So always check out, monitor your messages. Always check out for unusual messages or unusual activities on your WhatsApp account. Step 3 is monitoring your account for notifications. When your account is being used by another device, you definitely get a notification. So always watch out for security notification. So usually WhatsApp alerts you for every notification that get to your account. So sometimes you can get codes from WhatsApp. Please do not send that code to anybody if you're not trying to log in WhatsApp elsewhere. So WhatsApp alerts allows your account to be accessed from another device using those codes. So do not send codes to anyone if you are not logging in your WhatsApp from another device. And never ignore those messages. Once you see messages like that, just know that your account is at risk. The fourth step is to verify your security code. So make sure you always verify your security code. Anytime you are chatting and you discover that WhatsApp will send you a message that your security code with this particular number has changed, always watch out for that. So sometimes it's because maybe the person must have changed his or her number, or your account might be at a potential risk. You need to go to settings in your WhatsApp. You see account, you click on account, you see security notification. Make sure you turn the security notification button on. So to know if your security code must have changed over time, you can click on any of your contact name. You select encryption. Now if the security code looks different from the usual one you used to see, it means someone might be interfering with your chat. If you notice that there have been some unusual activities on your account, the best thing to do again is to enable two-step verification. Now, protecting your account with two-step verification will add additional security to your account. It will add an extra layer of security, ensuring that it's only you that can have access to your account. So anytime WhatsApp will be logged in on any phone, they will send you a message with a code, and you have to input your own code that you must have generated during the process of creating the two-step verification. So each time you log in WhatsApp on any phone, they'll ask you, after you must have imputed the code that they will send to your phone, they will still ask you for another additional password that protects your account. So that way your account have an extra layer of security. So to turn on two-step verification, you go to settings, then you click account. Once you click on account, you see two-step verification. Once you tap on the two-step verification, you see turn on. So you click on turn on to turn on the two-step verification. Then they will ask you to input your PIN. So that PIN is a PIN you are going to insert anytime you want to log in WhatsApp on another phone, and even at intervals when you log out on WhatsApp or once you leave WhatsApp and come back, they're going to ask you for that PIN to input. Understand? So make sure you remember any PIN you're going to set. You understand? Now, after you must have done that, they will now ask you to put email. Now, the reason for the email is in case maybe you forgot your PIN. In case you forgot, or in case you forget your WhatsApp two-step verification PIN, you use that email to reset the two-step verification PIN. So make sure you put a working email, so that in case you forget your WhatsApp two-step verification PIN, you can easily reset it from there. Understand? So that's how to set up two-step verification. And mind you can always change your PIN at any time. And number 6 step is by subscribing to this channel. Remember, staying vigilant is the best way to keep your data safe. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share with your friends to help them stay secure too.